So this week I had training in Houston. I finished it up. Today I took the test and everything for it. I took a flight back to Virginia. My first flight, my connecting flight to my layover here in Dallas was delayed. From Houston Hobby we flew in, landed, took them 25 minutes to taxi to the gate, 20 minutes, which made me miss my connecting flight. Yeah, I was mad. I blamed them getting me here late. The lady was like, she asked me what I needed and I told her I missed my connecting flight. She thought I got here late. I'm like, no, you guys got me here late. You know, the airline offered to pay for a hotel, but I was so mad. I didn't want to go to a hotel because I didn't want to get here late and miss that flight too. So I decided to stay in here. I want to apologize. I lost my voice from this past week. I got a little cold and I'm trying to get over it. So my voice is a little gone. Loads of fun. There was no other flights out. I'm having to spend the night here till 6:30 in the morning. Get on a flight and head to Virginia. 3 more hours. There's nobody here, just me, waiting. Totally empty. There goes the Chili's, but too bad it's closed. I'm still here. Still waiting. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.